Okay, so here are directions on how to get to your Symbaloo lesson for today. A few of you had trouble this morning getting to it using the link that I sent, so hopefully this will help. All right, go up to your address bar and you're going to put in this right here, lessonplans.symbaloo.com, and it's going to take you to this page. And you will actually access the lesson from right here. It says enter your session code. Now, the reason I didn't send a session code this morning was because the link had the session code built into it. So you should not have needed it, but apparently some folks had a little bit of trouble with that, and I sincerely apologize. So I'm going to give you the session code. Alright, now the session code is right here, and from now on I will be sending that to you, so you can copy it and paste it, and then you're in the lesson. Okay, so let's stop for a minute. Look right here. It has my name as my full name, Lauren Watkins, but I gave directions on how to put your name in. So you're going to want to click log in as somebody else. And I want you to just have your first initial and last name. Okay? And click start. And it's going to bring you to this really awesome page right here. So your little game piece is it'll start right there. It won't be where mine is. Okay, so let's get started, shall we? So to tell you what you will learn today are objectives for today, and then you start the lesson. Now it's very important to keep in mind that you go through the entire lesson. So watch these little videos. They will really benefit you. Click next. Okay, then this is going to talk to you about light as a form of energy, light travels, and it's going to take you to this really awesome virtual lab. Now, you're going to go to the virtual lab and you're going to use it to figure out which colors are absorbed. Which absorbed colors cause most plants to grow. So you're going to change the colors within the lab, and it explains all of that right here. Really cool, very easy, okay? So, go down here just a ways. Alright, you click video, and it tells you exactly what to do. We're going to stop that video. Turn the video off. Alright, follow the directions. You also have some really neat, down here you've got a calculator and a table and a journal. They're very awesome resources for you. Guys, this is a science experiment that you don't have to have any materials for, so take full advantage of it. You will set the colors to whatever you would like for it to be, and then turn the light on and plant your vegetables. Okay. Answer the question on which absorbed color caused the plant to grow the most. And it tells you whether you got it correct or not. Now, if you got it incorrect, it will give you another chance to try again. Okay, and so it will direct you in a different way on the little game board. Alright, moving right along. So you have another video from Bill Nye the Science Guy, and then a circuit activity. Now this is important to pay attention because here are your directions to access Feet Labs. It's an awesome website. Here are your directions right here. You are going to create a circuit. Now, to launch this virtual playroom, click to run, keep. Alright, now you're going to pull this up right here, open it up, it's totally safe, and it asks you to create a closed circuit. So you're going to create a circuit on your own. Alright, you're going to grab another wire. Now it has to be closed. Alright. Oops, daisy, pull this one off. Okay, then you're going to need a battery. Drag it around here. wires. You're going to need another battery, more wires, and a light bulb. Then you've got to close the circuit off. So you've got to close it off. Now you can either, there. Now it's not working, is it? It's not working. So let's see, if we change this, if we reverse, it's working, but it's going way too fast. Okay, so it needs to be slowed down tremendously, and I'm still not getting any light from my light bulb. So let's see what we need. Let's stop it. Oopsie. Okay. Let's add a switch. Okay, and a resistor. So we've got to figure out how to get this light bulb turned on. Connect them up. Let's see if it worked. Now it's working, but our light is not producing any light. So you've got to figure out how to get the light to go through the bulb. A little bit. It's moving it a little bit. Alright, so play with this, have fun with this. I sure did. My kids loved it. And it was a really, really cool way to learn how electricity works. So, I really want to get this connected and show y'all. Look, we have light. It's able, look, the electricity is able to flow through. Good. Light bulb. And so you're going to determine, what does the resistor do? If I take a resistor out, okay, then what happens? There's lots of light. And I'll put the resistor back in. And I'm not going to do that because I want you to figure it out. Alright, moving right along. So, hit next till you get to the end of the lesson. Okay, we got it wrong. I want you to try again. Go to the video, watch the video. Alright, now this is really cool. You get to create a water bottle xylophone. Take time to play with these things. It's the only way to learn, guys. Alright, so I came from Alabama with a banjo on my knee. Alright, so 1, 3. Oop. Kind of got it right. Okay, so here's how you can do that on your own. Really super cool. Okay, and your final quiz. Now, I am not going to do this with you on here live, but you get the idea. So, finish it out. Get your answers. Go all the way through the quiz. Okay, it's going to check your answers for you. You should do well on it, guys. Alright, so moving right along. It's going to keep up with everything. So this is what's so cool, guys. So right here, you have, this shows me who is working. Nobody's on there right now doing it. It tells me the performance of everybody in real time. So I can watch you at the exact same time that you're on there working. I can watch your little game pieces moving around the board. It was so cool because I was able to watch that today at the hospital, and it was so nice, and everybody got a kick out of it because they couldn't believe that you all were in class and I was not there, and you were still learning. It's amazing, guys. Use the technology that's been provided for you. I hope that y'all enjoyed this. I really look forward to using this site a lot more. LCs out there, you really need to check into this website, Symbaloo.com, because it's got some amazing cool stuff in it. It is a bookmark hub, so you can search all these different what they call web mixes, and you can find all kinds of stuff. You can find resources. Here's another one on education, and it just takes you to a link. So I actually might set up a web mix just for our class and put some games on there and your lessons, a place to access them, and some other cool places. Like, see if you click on Khan Academy. There, boom, there you are. So it's just a way of keeping all your bookmarks in one place, okay? Please remember that when you do go up here at the very beginning, make sure you do hit the bookmark for this page. Go ahead and set it so that you don't have to remember it again. Let me know what you think. I've got nothing but wonderful feedback from everybody so far. I want everybody to participate. Everybody needs to do this, and I hope that tomorrow I see 147 instead of 17 beside the students that have done it. So, all right, guys. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for being a wonderful class, and thank you for listening. See you tomorrow.